You ever felt like the weight of the world was pressing down, like you were standing at the foot of an impossible mountain? That crushing feeling, it's not a sign to quit. It's the universe asking how badly you want it. A silent challenge to your spirit. I remember staring at a project, completely overwhelmed, thinking, this is too big. I can't do this. The doubt was a roaring lion. But then I thought of those who built pyramids, brick by agonizing brick, or the tiny seed cracking concrete to find the sun. They didn't seem impossible. What if that colossal obstacle in front of you isn't there to stop you, but to reveal what you're truly capable of? It's like a blacksmith forging steel. The heat, the hammering, it doesn't destroy the metal. It strengthens it, shapes it into something magnificent. Don't wait for the path to clear. That mountain isn't moving. You are. Take that first step, then the next, even if it's a crawl. So identify one small thing you can do right now to chip away at that challenge. Don't think, Yakteen, because overcoming your own Goliath isn't just for you. It sends a ripple of hope, showing others what's possible when courage meets adversity. Go face that mountain. Prove to yourself and the world that your spirit is unbreakable.